shot now. How you doing today? Thank you, Derek. Oh yeah, your mom.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really easy. Wow, Jennifer, that's easy. Come on, Hey, yeah, I do. I like that. You like it? Hey, yeah. Oh, hey, baby. So, are you mom's okay? Yeah, that's awesome. It's great, Jennifer. Yeah. You know that. So, Valentine's on Wednesday, I guess. So. No, Tuesday.
Yeah, Tuesday.
Oh, Valentine's Tuesday.
Yeah.
I'll give you a card and flowers.
Oh, thank you.
Jennifer.
So sweet.
Yeah, so sweet to you, Jennifer. Everybody, I love these girls of flowers. All these girls flowers. Yeah, each just because stuffing onto this, yeah. You got an iPhone 14, 13, 12, yes?
13.
13. I got brand new iPhone 14 too.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I got AT&T in the spot.
Yeah.
Which one is what, AT&T or what?
Verizon.
Oh, good. That's a Verizon sucks. Yeah. How's you start your daughter's school? She's good. Don't worry about it, Jennifer. I think it's easy with time.
Yeah.
And this time. So, I plan to see you a long time since you about 2021. It's 2 years.
Yeah.
I know. Just last summer. Yeah, I saw you last 2022. I mean, it was easy.
Yeah.
So, what are you gonna do today?
Gotta go to the doctor, that's it.
Go down to that thing and go home? Oh, just tell you more. Everything that you rolled out of it, Jennifer. That's all lots, but
yeah.
I think he's appointment. It's probably his appointment. Oh, yeah. I really like it too. Everyone's fun. Everybody knows it's very easy. It's just everyone. So, my dad is good. My mom is just good. Everyone is good.
That's good.
I went to the funeral last Thursday before.
What?
I went to the funeral that last week.
The funeral?
Yeah, last week. My dad's friend. He's not feeling well. He had a head surgery. He's not brain surgery. It's very. He's not feeling well. In a brain surgery, he's not feeling well.
Yeah.
He was born in Mexico.
Oh.
Yeah, everybody knows that he's born in Mexico or United States with us.
Yeah.
So, how long you been?
What?
How long you been?
How long I've been what?
I lived for the estimate of my house over 2017, 5 years, until 06.
In Magnolia, I've been here all my life since I was 3.
Oh wow, pretty good.
Yeah.
No one got a third place to spot, Jennifer. The third is a spot. You consider your mom's house over there a spot.
Right.
I cost my house a 2.
Yep.
Yeah, I know that. It's easy to notice, Jennifer. I can love it caloric points. Sometimes it's easy. I will work out. So, I get it this time. So, then I can do easy a couple of days after work. your blessing to every on this day. It's like this fun. I love it, Jennifer.
There it goes.
It's in it, Jennifer?
Yeah.
Oh, Trey's got it this time, man. All right, Jennifer. Mwah. Alright, guys. I'll see you, Jennifer. I love you.
Thank you.
I'll see you later, Jennifer. Tell your mom and dad be good. All right.